How to apply coupon codes in Flipkart, or how you can simply get discount on your Flipkart website. So follow this video till the end. You simply have to search the same on your Google Chrome, and then I will show you that how you can apply coupons to your Flipkart. Now, if you want to know how to apply coupon codes in Flipkart, follow the steps. Step 1 is to copy code, go through the most advanced offers and click on show coupon code. From that menu, you will have to copy the coupon code from there, and in the different tab, the Flipkart store slide will be open. What you have to do is mainly you can select the product you want to purchase, and on the payment page, you will have an option to add a coupon or add a promo code to your Flipkart discount. Now, after adding, discount will be displayed on the total cards spontaneously. Then you simply have to payment, and then you can save it. Now this is how you can simply add a coupon code or discount code to your Flipkart. Keep watching the video. Thank you so much for watching it.